are going to love the 2012 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, heated seats, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.